I can't believe all that's happened since we launched a YouTube channel back in 2020. A year of global calamity that caused everybody to stop, look around, and rethink the way that they were going about their daily lives. For some reason, by some great coincidence, we chose to put out long format videos showing people what we were up to in our garage at that time. In response, we learned that hundreds of people started bakeries from their own garages, their apartments, their homes, trying to model something similar for their communities. That is, sharing great bread and pastries with the people around them, providing new opportunities for employment within their municipalities, and moving forward in full-scale businesses. It led us to believe that we needed to look at everything we were doing and make sure that we were part of this story, part of helping people work through problems based on lessons that we had learned. So a year ago, we set out to put some online educational content out there that goes way beyond what you can find on our YouTube channel. Content designed to help people take their craft to a professional level. Because let's face it, being in your home, around your home kitchen, or around maybe an empty, unfurnished garage, and trying to figure out how to build a legitimate bakery business can be really daunting. And that's exactly what we did. We started as a hand-mixed operation in 2017 with one person. Nowadays, we have over 60 people that are working at Proof, and we're operating out of 4 brick and mortar locations, a 5th on the way, and several farmers markets every single week across a huge metropolis. We serve 5,000 people a week. And the thing is, we had to learn these lessons the hard way through trial and error, through many mistakes along the road that cost us huge amounts of money, a lot of heartache, and a lot of stress. And the thing is, you guys don't have to go through those same painful moments in order to reach this result. There are many lessons that I can share with you that we aim to do through our $1 Million Baker series. Last year, season 1 was about building the brand, building the products, building the basic workflows that make up the building blocks of any good bakery. This year, season 2 is about the behind the scenes, the stuff that people won't share with you, but they face nonetheless. How to battle regulatory nuisances that happen behind the scenes, or what equipment you should use in order to power your bakery, what investments are worth it, how to manage your reporting and finances to figure out, are you really doing well enough to survive long term? How to prepare for the ability to get bank lending to finance your projects, what buildings are worth investing into, how we view good opportunities versus bad opportunities. These are just some of the themes in season 2. Now, $1 Million Baker is meant to be something that we invest in an ongoing way. This is the second year that we're putting out many hours of lesson-based content for you to benefit from. Last year, season 1, we started at a price of $1,099 for full access to over 20 hours of recorded content. Well, this year, we are adding substantial new content, and the people that invested early in season 1 will just get that new season 2 content at no additional charge. It's just part of the program. That's actually what they're going to get ongoing. So any new content we release down the line, if you are a member now, you're just going to benefit from that for a lifetime. The price will go up once we launch season 2 for any new subscribers by $100. And this is so that we can recoup the costs of building all this content. We have professionals working on the videos, putting together these lessons, and of course, we're recording all of them as well. I hope that this content can save you thousands of dollars and also earn you new opportunities worth thousands of dollars, that your return on investment is easy to see. In fact, the people that invested in season 1 all around the country and even the world are doing great things and claiming that the content in Million Dollar Baker really helped them in their businesses. So I hope that that's the case for you going forward. You can invest now while season 1 is still the only content available and get the full benefits of this upcoming content without the extra cost. So I encourage you to visit our website, milliondollarbaker.com, and subscribe today.